Hey there, I'm Aarti. Welcome back to Swydo Academy. Today we're going to discuss ways of sharing and scheduling your reports with your clients and stakeholders. So let's get started. Need to send a one-time email? Super easy. Prefer to schedule report with PDF? You got it. By the end of the session, you'll learn how to share reports that look great, impress your clients, and save you time. Under the Share drop-down menu on the right, you'll see all the ways you can share your reports with clients and stakeholders. Whether it's a quick one-off update, a monthly dashboard, or a scheduled email, you've got options. Choose the report you want to send. Click Share and pick your method. Need to send a one-time email? Select One-Time Email. Write a custom message with all your important updates and hit Send. That's it. Let's set up a scheduled email. First, choose how often you want the report to go out. Daily, weekly, or monthly. Next, set the time zone. Make sure it matches your client's location. Then decide if you want the report to skip sending when KPIs haven't been met. Super useful if you don't want to send empty wins. So, you'll know right away if something goes wrong with the delivery. Now, choose how the report is sent. You've got three options: a link to the dashboard, a PDF link, or a PDF file attached to the email. Finally, set the date range for the report. Want to compare it with the previous period? You can do that too. And that's it. Your report is ready to send itself. Let's look at the different formats you can send. Dashboards. Dashboards give clients a live, real-time view. You can choose to lock the date range or let them adjust it. You can also password protect dashboards before sharing them outside your team. Just toggle it on and set your password. PDFs are a great way for more formal reports. You can fully customize them. Add a cover page, tweak layout settings, and attach them as a file or a link. Present mode lets you walk clients through the dashboard live. And yes, it has a laser pointer included. To keep things running smoothly, check out the scheduled overview under reporting. You'll see every upcoming send in one place, with filters, bulk actions, and custom views. And don't forget to check the send log. It's cleaner, smarter, and shows you what's been sent, what failed, and who opened what. Get total clarity. And that's a wrap. You've learned all the ways you can use Swydo to share and schedule your reports, whether it's one-time emails, scheduled reports, PDFs, dashboards, or even live presentations. You have full creative and security control. See you in the next Swydo Academy session. Until then, happy reporting!